The days of struggling to learn coding just to bring an idea online are quickly coming to an end. Today, I'm going to jump into a website built with Interpro and customize it using AI. This isn't just a basic landing page either. We're talking animations, interactive effects, premium design, and even a flower petal trail that follows your cursor around the screen. Let's dive in. The Inter team actually sent me this project, and honestly, the first thing that stood out to me was how polished everything looks. Right away, we have this beautiful hero section with premium imagery and typography. As I scroll down, there are storytelling sections explaining the product showcases, animations, and interactive elements throughout the page. What I like here is that Interpro isn't just generating individual sections, it's creating an entire website experience that feels connected from top to bottom. And because everything is built inside Interpro, I can jump straight into editing and start making changes. Now let's see how easy it is to customize this. I'll click the Select to Edit tool, choose the headline area, and then tell Interpro exactly what I want to improve. This headline already has the right idea, but it feels a little cluttered on the page. So I'll ask Inter to make the headline cleaner. Let's apply that change and see how it updates the website. Here's the before and after. The old headline looked a bit cluttered, so I used Select to Edit and asked Interpro to make it cleaner. Now the main message stands out better, and the hero section feels more premium and balanced. Then I updated the headline one more time and added a soft pink accent that matches the overall website theme. It keeps the headline clean, but gives it a more branded and premium look. Here's the before and after. It's a small change, but small details like this are what make a website leave a better first impression. The pink accent matches the theme and makes the headline feel more polished, intentional, and memorable. I also added a little more motion to the hero section. Now when I scroll up, the headline softly fades out and the buttons spread out slightly to give the section more breathing room. Then when I scroll back down, the headline reappears and the buttons come back together. It's a small interaction, but it makes the hero section feel much more dynamic and premium. Now let's add another section to the website. I want a product section where visitors can actually see the bowls, prices, and buy options as they scroll down. So I'll describe it in the prompt box. Add a floating product tab with 3 bowls, their prices, a soft pink hover effect, and a style that matches the rest of the website. The goal is to make this feel like a real e-commerce product section, not just a basic image gallery. And honestly, Inter did a wonderful job here. The new product section fits the same visual style. The hover effect feels soft and premium. And now the website looks much closer to a real e-commerce experience where visitors can actually explore and buy the bowls. The website already looks fantastic, but what really caught my attention are all the little details. And one of my favorite features is this flower petal trail effect. As I move my cursor around the page, flower petals follow along behind it. It's such a small touch, but it instantly makes the experience feel more alive and premium. Then, as we continue scrolling, we get these beautifully designed product showcases, visual storytelling sections, and polished transitions that tie everything together. We have smooth animations as we scroll through the page, interactive sections throughout the website. These are the kinds of details that make a website feel memorable. Once you're happy with the final result, publishing is incredibly simple. Normally, you'd have to think about hosting, deployment, domains, and server setup. With Interpro, I can simply click Publish. Then click Publish to Live and copy the link of the published website. A few moments later, the website is live and ready to share with anyone. Now let's open the published link in the browser and check out the final result. Here it is live, and everything is working beautifully. The hero section feels premium, the headline animation looks smooth, the product section fits naturally into the page, and the whole website now feels like a polished e-commerce experience ready to share. You don't need to be a developer to create something that looks this polished anymore. Whether you're building a business website, a landing page, or your next big idea, tools like Interpro make the process incredibly accessible. Huge thanks to Interpro for sponsoring this video. Click the link in the description to sign up and log into Inter to receive 200 free credits so you can start building your website.